Yo, what they do, man? It's your boy Hollywood, and we live from the site, HVAC Mechanical Department. Okay. So today, we're gonna be installing the flex and insulating the grills, the back of the supply grills, because with the cold air, it tends to leave moisture, and you don't want that leaking on the ceiling tile and leaving watermarks on the tile. So we insulate the back of the grills, and with the flex, we pull the outer lining over the pipe, so to ensure that it's a good seal, and no moisture leaks out of it. So today we're gonna start with crimping the pipe. This is hard pipe, so you got to crimp the ends to put a crimp on it to slide the inner lining over. And once you do that, that's when you go to your flex. Now, tools for this assignment is going to be bag of flex, tape, wire cutter, zip ties, and pookie. Those are, for this assignment, those are the tools you'll need, those are the materials you will need, to get to the next level. So, first you get your pookie, and you just insulate the inner lining. Now, you want the pookie, when you put it on the inner lining, you want it to go all the way around. You want to be pookied up, as they say, in the inside of your lining. You want the pookie on there nice and thick, so when you slide it onto your crimped end of your pipe, it ensures that once it's hard, that it's a true lock. It's not going to go nowhere. We're still going to put a zip tie on it, but with the pookie on it, it makes sure it's tight. It makes sure it's, because once the pookie dry, it's dry, So yeah, you get your zip tie, and you just zip it down, and then you pull your outer over your pipe, and you tape that outer insulation to the insulation of your pipe. So next is going to be cutting the grill insulation. So that's a 2x2, which is 24 inches by 24 inches. And once you do, you just lay it out, and then you put a center hole in your flex, insulation, and cut it out, 6, 8, 12, 10, whatever it should be. And you pull your flex down, and you put it on it, and you tape the sides to your grill.